This is our programmable automated bill. As it is said, time is money. We believe time management is life management. Any activity performed in time and with accuracy results into success. Nowadays, school or institutions' bills are either manually or electronically operated. Both have their own loopholes. Whenever manually operated, manpower needs to be invested and accuracy is questionable. When electronically operated, flexibility is questionable. Hence, we have eyed our target to synchronize the accuracy with flexibility. As we had been learning Python as an elective subject since class 11th, we decided to express our innovative thoughts through the very popular programming language, Python. The project has been prepared with the investment time, effort and knowledge of Python. We have not invested any amount of materialistic items till now. Once the program is created and implemented with its executable file, it may be used as an app available freely. Therefore, our zero investment project is highly beneficial for any organization which runs on time scheduled daily events. This is our home page. It consists of 4 windows, 4 buttons: Start, Credits, Help and Quit. These are the emergency buttons for fire alert, attention, emergency and for announcing something. We start from Help button. This is about the program. It also consists some instructions and some FAQs. Now we move towards the credits. It indicates the working of individual. Now let us start the program. If we clicked on the start button, then it open another window consisting 5 buttons: run normal timings, see normal timings, set timings for today and update timing permanently, and last back to main menu. It also consists 3 buttons: emergency buttons, fire alert, attention alert and emergency. Now if we want to update the timing for particular day, for example, if you have any competition and after this event you wanted to start from the first period, then you can choose this button and update it. These are the empty fields like a form format. You can type, enter the values and submit it. Now if you want to update timings permanently, for example, there is a fixed time for summer and you want to update timings for window, then you can click on the update timings permanently button and see this. This is the existing times and you can edit it, or you can change the values and then submit, and the values are changed. Now if you want to see the current timings, then you can click on see normal timing button and see the timings. This is our default school timing. Now if you want to run the normal timings, then click on run normal timings and see.
Fourth period is already running. Fourth period is already running.
Yeah, fourth period is already running and recess is going to start after 13 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay. Now if you want to alert the student for fire, then you can click on fire alert button and play this.
This is a fire alert. Please move to the safest place. This is a fire alert. Please move to the safest place. This is a fire alert. Please move to the safest place. This is a fire alert. Please move to the safest place.
Okay. Now, if you want to announcing something, then you can click.
Fourth period is already running. Fourth period is already running.
Yeah, fourth period is already running.
Fourth period.
If you want to announcement, then click on announcement button. It will open a new window with the text entry. Then please type anything. For example, this is the examination time, and see what is happening.
This is a examination time. This is a examination time.
If you want to play it again, then click on play, and if you want to back, and click on back. This is our full program. It may be useful in various fields, in various Thank you.